I want to quickly talk to you today about the top 10 stock trading analysis and portfolio management software tools. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or a tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the top 10 stock trading analysis and portfolio management software tools. This is very important. Why? Because much of a stock trader's job revolves around the interpretation of data on a screen. So for this reason, stock trading software plays a key role in day trading, even for long-term investments. Most brokerage firms offer trading software to their clients when they open an account. Many firms will claim to have the best software available in an effort to do what? To gain you as their clients. However, because of the diversity in markets, trading strategies, personal preferences, and securities in the market, there really isn't a single best stock trading software. Stock trading software will not make you an investment pro overnight, don't get me wrong, but it sure can improve your success in the market, whether you are a long-term investor or a day trader. So stock software can help you with real-time stock market simulation to help you to learn how to adapt to market fluctuations, back-test it so you can test trading strategies using historical data, and you can design a stock trading or investing plan with the right stock analysis software. This is very important, folks, because you want to have the right information. Having accurate information helps you avoid making decisions based on emotions. The data provided by stock analysis software will help you screen stocks, make informed choices, and execute trades, sometimes even from right inside the software. And this is pretty cool. And the software options that I'm going to review today offer a variety of features. I'm referring to real-time data, charting, analytics, news, education, and personalization tools. And features may vary by service tier, so you want to be sure to check what's included before purchasing. And you can choose also from desktop, online, or app versions of the software, depending on your preferences and your hardware. All right, folks. Number 10, we have QuantShare. Our score, 7/10. This is a budget-neutral network stock backtesting software, and we actually recommend this for quantitative analysts who develop powerful, automated systems and value a huge selection of shared user-generated systems and powerful technical analysis tools. It's all about if you are in that field. And the pros here, this is perfect for quants. If you want to automate trading, that's fantastic. Sharing service for system sharing, that's fantastic. They have QuantShare has a very active community, and they have a very good backtesting model. What are the cons here? Programming knowledge required. You got to have some programming knowledge. Again, as I said earlier, it's all about quants, and the interface needs to be improved. We have actually reached out to QuantShare, and they're working on that. So this is very important. With the QuantShare, you can create and analyze charts, studies, and indicators. You can create and backtest trading strategies. You can analyze data and perform quantitative research. You can create watch lists and screens. You can download and import trading data. You can create portfolio and generate buy and sell signals. You can even create neural network models. So this is pretty cool. And so this software actually specializes, as the name suggests, in allowing quantitative analysis of stock data and more generally security data. Number 9, we have here VectorVest. Our score, 8/10. This software is great for scanning and market timing. And the pros here, it's simple to follow. You have specific buy and sell signals, market timing signals, And the software covers US, Canada, Australia, and European stocks. What about the cons? It is expensive, especially with add-ons. It provides signals with no proven track record, and it has a limited number of chart indicators. So this trading software, the VectorVest, is great to help you simplify market timing, stock strength, and valuation. And you can add that to that general buy and sell ratings on stock, and it's worth a look. All right. One thing I want to see here, one thing we love with the VectorVest is that the platform is cool. They cover a wide variety of stocks. They cover more than 8,000 US stocks and indices, 2,500 Canadian stocks, 2,000 Australian stocks, more than 2,000 UK shares, and more than 2,000 European stocks. Number 7, folks. Number 8, we have scans. Our score 8.5/10. This is easy to use real-time news and technical stock scanner. And we actually recommend scans for day traders, especially those who want a super simple and slick workflow, real-time streaming charts and news, and unique level 2 data, dollar value information, and excellent broker integration. And the pros and cons here. The pros, you have good technical analysis charts, real-time news and news scanning, excellent broker integration, and technical chart market scanning. In terms of cons, they have no social. So there is no active community of traders and other users you can interact with. One thing I want to emphasize here is that scans contains many fundamental screens, and the key for day traders here is that you want to have the ability to scan entire markets for liquidity and volume patterns to find volatility so you can trade for a profit. And this is what makes the scans offer unique. Number 7, we have Optima. Our score 8.5/10. This is technical analysis software for professionals. And we actually recommend this for professional technical analyst traders who value Bloomberg terminal integration and exotic Gann, point and figure, and astronomical charts. So what are the pros here? This software, Optima, offers great technical analysis charts. It has high quality quant backtesting. You have Gann charts and seasonality charts. It also offers professional enterprise services, and it's very good when it comes to margin rates. The cons, no social and a separate data feed required. So this is something that they're currently working on, and we believe they can actually improve on that. So when you think about Optima, you want to think about their technical analysis and charts. Here you have a fantastic array of more than 500 indicators and drawing tools. Wonderful. There is a rich choice of chart types, of course, bar, line, candlestick, but many more, such as point and finger charts. Okay, Optima also specializes in Gann tools with a full suite, including Gann grid lines, Gann fans, Gann swing, and even a square of 9 charts. Fantastic. Number 6, folks, we have TC2000. Our score 9/10. This is good stock charting and scanning software, and we actually recommend this for traders in the United States and Canada who seek rapid entire market scanning with excellent charts and indicators. TC2000 has an integrated brokerage, meaning you can trade stocks and options directly from charts. So what are the pros and cons here? The pros, you have fantastic charts and indicators selection, the best technical and fundamental stock scanning. You can trade directly from charts, as I said before. You have real-time exchange data, very good margin rates. The cons, no back testing and no social. So with TC2000, you can't do back testing, and there is no social interaction here. But one thing I want to say here is that TC2000 runs on everything: your iPhone, your tablets, your Mac, and your PC. And it's also priced very reasonably. It's starting at free. Now, if you want to trade U.S. stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds, then this is a great option. We also love the fact that with this with the TC2000, you can actually do a lot of scanning and screening. You can actually do a lot of trade management. This is really fantastic. And the integration with third-party software is great. Number 5, we have Trained Spider. Our score, 9/10. This is actually great for automated stock chart analysis. So this is a great software that we recommend for all traders seeking cutting-edge artificial intelligence software that automates technical chart analysis, trend line, and pattern recognition. And what we love here after analyzing this software is that TrendSpider has robust system backtesting, automated Fibonacci and candlestick recognition covering stocks, ETFs, Forex, and crypto markets. What are the pros and cons here? Pros, you have automated trend line and Fibonacci detection, automatic multi-time frame analysis, code-free backtesting, real-time data included, and you have a whole array of securities including stocks, ETFs, Forex, crypto, and futures. What about the cons? No auto trading yet, and no social. And so the TrendSpider is a great tool to consider, especially if you're trying to automate your technical analysis and you're also trying to cover a wide area of securities at once. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sorted Kiwi Show. We are still continuing our conversation about the top 10 stock trading analysis and portfolio management software tools. And here I am at number 4. We have MetaStock. Our score, 9/10. This is the best stock forecasting and backtesting software tool in our view. And we actually recommend this for stock traders who need excellent real-time news, access to a huge stock systems marketplace, and the best technical stock chart analysis. And the cool thing with MetaStock is that all international exchanges are covered and backed up with excellent customer services. What about the pros and cons here? The pros, you have the best charts and indicators selection, the best system backtesting, real-time news from Reuters with Refinitiv, and all international stock exchanges. The cons, PC only. This software tool is currently available on PC only. It has no mobile app, and there is no broker integration. So this is something the MetaStock has to work on. But long story short, the scanning and screening model of MetaStock is fantastic. You can do a lot of technical chart analysis. They also have a real-time news score, which is really wonderful, and this kind of helps you see a real in-depth analysis of company fundamentals from debt structure to top 10 investors, including level 2. Number 3, we have stock Rover. Our score, 9.5/10. This is actually a great stock analysis and research software for investors, and we actually recommend it for United States and Canada value, dividend, and growth investors. And Stock Rover is really, when you think about it, the leading financial analysis, stock research, and screening software right now. And the software enables easy implementation of nearly every investment strategy, and it also connects you to your broker for portfolio reporting and management. The pros here, you have a huge selection of fundamental and financial scanning criteria, and you have an incredible stock scoring systems that ultimately allow you to find perfect matches for your portfolio. They have a unique 10-year historical fundamentals data. And the cool thing here is that Warren Buffett and value screeners and portfolios are fully integrated, and they have a great usability and setup model. In terms of cons, they have no social community. So this is something you have to think about. Number 2, folks, we have Trade Ideas. Our score, 9.5/10. In our view, this is the best artificial intelligence stock prediction software. And we actually recommend this for day traders who want AI-driven trading signals. And Trade Ideas provides actual buy and sell signals for trades by performing millions of backtests per day on more than 75 strategies. And so they have a great Holly AI platform that has an audited track record of beating the market. We actually have covered Trade Ideas on another show extensively, so you might want to double check that show. What are the pros and cons here? The pros: you have 3 AI trading algorithms that beat the market constantly. You have fully automated backtesting, exceptional stock scanning abilities. You have specific audited trade signals, auto trading with AI signals. You have a free live trading room access. The cons: the user interface needs to be improved, and they're working on it. They know it, they're working on it. And so what you want to remember with Trade Ideas is that you have excellent stock scanning and screening. You have excellent algorithmic trading abilities, and you have the ability to use their Holly tool to beat the market. Number 1, folks, the best of the best in our view. The best stock trading analysis and portfolio management software tool available right now in the market is TradingView. Our score, 10 over 10. In our view, this is the best stock trading platform and community. And this software, we recommend this for all international stock, forex, and crypto markets, for traders who value a great price, insanely good chart analysis, and backtesting with a huge social community. And TradingView is a very easy to use yet powerful platform. And in terms of pricing, you have the whole gamut. It goes from free to $50 per month. And what are the pros? Social first, you can chat, you can publish, you can follow. Great backtesting. It's very easy to use, perfect for beginners, and they cover a wide variety of assets from crypto to forex to stocks in the United States and globally. And they have a great stock screening tool. And in terms of cons, they don't have no real-time news at the moment. They're still working on it. One thing I want to say here is that there is no doubt about it. TradingView is a worthy winner and holds its place in number 1 overall. We love that. Our team loves TradingView. We use it every day. It's great. It's a great tool to follow the market, to invest, to day trade, to swing trade, you name it. All right, folks, this is it for today's conversation. This was a quick convo about the top 10 stock trading analysis and portfolio management software tools. And I want to quickly recap here. Number 1, we have TradingView, 10 over 10. Number 2, we have Trade Ideas, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have Stock Rover, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have MetaStock, 9 over 10. Number 5, we have Train Spider, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have a TC2000, 9 over 10. Number 7, we have Optima, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, we have Scans, 8.5 over 10. Number 9, we have VectorVest, 8 over 10. And number 10, we have QuantShare, 7 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. Really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.